Today is my last day. I haven't been to the gym the past week, and yeah, so we have to wrap this up. Looking forward. I'm a bit sad though, because I was slowly getting used to this, you know. I'm feeling fit and healthy, eating healthy, following a healthy diet. But yeah, let's do this.
So far so good. It was never going to be easy. It was going to be tough, especially for the first timers, and obviously some will fall off the wagon and some will stay strong each and every day, and so far it was impressive. I think she's got a heart for it and she wants to make a difference as quick as possible, and she's very committed, which is a good thing because not everybody can go through that and then still survive. It's very important. It's a way of life. It's a lifestyle. Probably you're not going to get sick as normally as the average person. You think healthy, no matter what the circumstances are. You always have something to back you up with. So it's actually a good way of stress relief, heart rate.
I just hope to continue with this healthy lifestyle. Yeah, I hope to continue with it. My goal, my goal was to lose about 10 kgs. I've managed to only lose 6, but not too bad, considering that it's only been a month.